Hey people, welcome to another video and yeah definitely मैं ये वीडियो लेकर आ गया जो मैंने बहुत दिन से स्टोरी पे रखा था मैरो वाला वीडियो बनाने को. So yeah, today in this video we are gonna discuss about you should buy Marrow in your first year MBBS or any other lecture in your first year MBBS or you should not. So ये वीडियो बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है. So let's start watch the video till the end. So you all know very well that you all are new to this environment and everyone get distracted for some time like should I go to this book, ये वो बुक पढ़ रहा है तो मैं भी ये बुक पढ़ना शुरू करूँ, इसने मैरो लिया है तो मुझे भी लेना चाहिए. ओके, शुड आई गो टू दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, शुड आई वॉच मैरो लेक्चर, शुड आई वॉच प्रेपलैडर्स लेक्चर एक्सेट्रा. सो टू बी ऑनेस्ट there is no correct answer to this question. Okay, now first let me share my journey, okay, how I prepared for my first year MBBS. So I used Marrow video lecture and I used standard textbook and with ongoing my college lectures. So I had a good help of Marrow lectures, okay, and I can listen to any topic at any time at any speed, okay, and make my own notes at my own speed. And side by side with a feature like Pearl, I can easily see the important point in each topic and I can easily do the topic and their significance. So without wasting time, let's go to the point directly. So there are pros of buying Marrow in first year and obviously there are cons, but I am here to make a way in between them, seeing all the circumstances. So let's start. So let's first discuss about the pros. So Marrow is a great source when it comes to understanding the concept, like it covers with the base, and before reading the textbook, if you just watch a video and after you read the book, that will make your reading like a butter. Okay, I mean it make your reading, it make your understanding very smooth. Now let's talk about the prof exam. So not just the prof exam, Marrow will be of help even with the next exam, and currently no one has any idea about next exam how it will be occur, but for sure the questions will be testing our concepts, and Marrow make it point to stress on the basic concepts, so it is a major advantage to you. Third one is that concept will remain concept. Okay, in the Marrow the concept is concept and in the book concept is concept. The thing that differ is the way you describe. Okay, and this thing also matter in your prof exam, the way you describe. Okay, so if you write it from the Marrow in your prof exam or if you write it from the book, concept will remain concept. Okay, that doesn't matter. Now let's focus on the cone. So the main factor and the major cone is that the price. Okay, the price is 33,500 for 1 year. So some student can afford, some can't, and if you buy it from the first year, you have to think about your second year, third year, fourth year, and तीनों का मिला के total करेंगे, so it will become a big number. But I can say that it's a major spend, but it will be a useful investment. Okay, but as I say, it's different for each student, so it only depend on you. Second and major cone is that from my point of view, first year is more preclinical and you don't need to learn about the treatment and prognosis. Okay, it's more about the basic function of the body. I know Marrow is more conceptual, but don't forget about the books. Books are the books. No one can replace a book. Okay, because books are for making the base strong, books are for clearing the concept, and books are for the self-growth. Marrow is more toward the PG preparation and you will also have to give your prof exam in first year in the first time in life. So skipping the book part is not advisable at any cost. And don't forget that first year is meant for the developing habit of reading standard books, because if you are too lazy to do that, you won't be able to catch in future, and your goal should be to become a best and a good doctor. Third cone is that in first year you will also have project, you have college life, and you have less time to study. So if you are purchasing a Marrow but not using it, that's totally worthless. Okay, so the final question arises that when should you buy Marrow? Okay, the answer is according to me, that's my advice. So the answer is that read the all concept and all thing of first year from the book till your prelim exam, so you will be habitual at book reading. Now after prelim you have a 1 month for prof exam preparation, and after prof exam you have 20 days जो कि second year शुरू से होने से पहले होते हैं. So buy Marrow after completing a first year prelim exam. Now you already have read your books, okay? Just watch the video at 2x speed. It will make your concept more stronger and help to revise, okay? And also do the hard topic from the Marrow because it is more easy than the book. Now this way your prof एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन भी हो जाएगी एंड पीजी की जो प्रिपरेशन है थोड़ी बहुत शुरू हो जाएगी. So I hope your all doubts are clear now. After prof exam you can start your second year 20 days earlier, okay? And you also have read the book, okay? You also have bought the Marrow in first year and you started earlier, you made the concept strong. Okay. Now still if you don't want to take my advice, if you don't want to do this thing, buy the Marrow from second year or any other video lecture जो आपको पसंद हो, आपको convenient हो, okay? From the second year, that's the best choice. So that's the today's video and I hope कि आपको पसंद आया होगा. आपको पसंद आया और भी ऐसे videos चाहिए और भी Marrow related, MBBS related videos चाहिए, first year related videos चाहिए तो ये channel आपके लिए है. So press that red button and make it black. Okay, so simply subscribe my channel, follow, share and comment and yeah, मिलेंगे हम next video में.